Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make potato salad Southern style. First, select about 2 pounds of russet or Yukon Gold potatoes for the best creamy texture. Next, peel and cube them into 1-inch pieces. Boil these potato cubes in salted water until they are fork tender, which usually takes about 15 to 20 minutes. Be careful not to overcook them, as we want them tender, not mushy. After boiling, drain your potatoes completely in a colander. It's crucial to remove all excess water to prevent a watery salad. Let them cool for about 10 to 15 minutes. They should still be warm but not hot. This slight cooling helps them absorb the dressing better. While they cool, you can start preparing the delicious Southern dressing. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more easy recipes. On another note, want to keep your kitchen floor spotless while you cook? Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, perfect for busy cooks. Find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. Now, let's create that signature Southern dressing. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard. Stir in 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery and 2 finely diced hard-boiled eggs. Season generously with salt and black pepper to taste, and add a small pinch of sugar to balance the flavors. Once your potatoes are cooled and your dressing is ready, it's time to combine them. Gently pour the dressing over the potatoes. Using a large spoon or spatula, carefully fold the dressing into the potatoes until every piece is evenly coated. Avoid mashing the potatoes. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the potato salad for at least 2 hours, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.